Yo, what up guys? Today coming at you with a video. I'm installing my LRB door cards right now. They're like half installed. I just kind of want to show you guys a quick run through. I've seen videos on 350Zs and such, but not on 370s. So when I first got these, I noticed that there's no way to unlock the car from the inside. So I devised a way of being able to run this cable here, so that you can unlock and lock your door from the inside without power. It just seems like a safety concern for me. But yeah, doing that right now. And I mean, this is gonna be like version 1 of this install, because I still have to trim these speaker bezels for the Bose. I won't be doing that in this video, but just kind of overall, I want to update you guys that I'm getting door cards put in, because that is pretty ugly, and I'm excited to at least cover it up. We'll get this wrapped at some point with something, or sticker bomb it, whatever. But just kind of want to show you guys what I'm doing and the steps I'm taking to install these door cards. I mean, first things first, you're going to be taking your electronics out of your old door cards. Right here, you can have your door card off. You don't even need to have it off. You can pry it up here. But if you go around the back side and just push up from the back, it'll just pop out. And it's just held on with like a little, it just kind of clips in. And then there's a couple, there's some clips holding your switches in. So everything just clips out, no tools needed. It took me a little bit to figure out what was going on with these brackets. The switches sit on top of the door card. These brackets go around it. And then we have our bracket on the back side holding it on. Yeah, this is basically ready to install. Just gonna button those up. And the next thing you do is put your door handle on. This is how I got mine on. That's how you get that on. You're gonna leave this one off. I was thinking about using this just like this at the event, but I am just gonna throw these on because I figured out a way to route this guy. This is the bracket they give you. It'd be really nice if there was a bracket with 2 holders on it, but if you just take this, put it in that slot, and zip tie it to the other one, boom. You can route that out that hole, and you are able to unlock and lock your door without the power. So that's what I'm gonna do. Instead of zip tying, they say to zip tie it on the regulator, and then they give you a piece of adhesive to tape it here. I am not doing that. So we're gonna be retaining at least our ability to lock and unlock our car. So that's basically it. Make sure you take out your speaker screws. Take those out, and now we are going to take this off because we need this hole to be free. After you get this bracket on, slip that in there, and now it's not going to move. Come up to the bottom or the top, doesn't really matter. And this, you don't want it sticking out. You're gonna want it underneath or on top. I think we'll do it on top just because of the way this is being pulled. There we go. Secure that. Ain't going anywhere now. Cool. Now we can get this panel on. Okay, this is the speaker wire. Right now I don't have that installed, so I'm gonna tuck it in here for now, so it doesn't get in the way. And then this is your harness for your switches. Just gonna connect those up first. lock is, and just bend this wire out a bit. So I had to kind of bend the cable lock a bit. Now I got this cable lock. Might need to extend it, but there we go. And then we can put in our push pins. And here's that little groove there. That's where the window comes out. You're going to the right of that. All those push pins are in. And then now we get to take this, I see, it is a set screw. I thought it was just a piece of all thread. I'm gonna take this into the hole, and we're gonna take our strap and work her around, you know? Fender washer and nut. Okay. Perfect, and that's actually where you want it. You want to keep this level. Tighten that. Yeah, and that doesn't really matter if you tighten that, but there you go. And now you have your door lock, which again, I'm probably going to need to modify. Door opens. Closes, yeah, so there's a screw that gets caught on the plate. Might be able to do something about that. Yeah, no, it works. I guess I'll show you guys what I'm talking about with that. Yeah, so on this door handle, the head of the screw is getting caught here, so I might just end up filing that down or something, but really all you gotta do is just push it back in. Happens on the other side too. And then we do also have our door lock here, so I feel a lot safer having that. Just, you know, just in case the battery ever disconnects, you never know. Yep, that definitely pulls it together, but you know, we'll be doing something with this. Not sure if I'm gonna wrap it, paint it, sticker bomb it, but something is definitely happening. We're getting the speakers back in as well, so I'll show you guys that at a later date. Yeah, that looks much better. All right, so pretty simple install. Definitely have my head scratching a little bit with the door cable, the unlock cable. They actually don't have a provision for that, so that threw me off. But we did get that, and I think that's going to be nice, you know, having this in the car rather than the exposed door cards, because it is pretty ugly under there. But yeah, that's how I went about doing that. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.